Hello and welcome. Okay, welcome to this big update video that I've got for you today. Me and my wife have been very busy getting ready for the new breeding season. We've been cleaning out nest boxes and putting them up for the Budgies and Cockatiels, and also cleaning out the bird room and some other stuff, and you'll get to see all that very soon. But first, let's take a look at the Budgie Cockatiel Aviary with all the boxes still down from yesterday morning. Due to filming in 4K, there's a 1-day delay between me doing this video and it being published because it's very time consuming. Here you can see the extension with the boxes down as well. Looks quite bare in there, well it did do anyway, until we put the new boxes up. But first they needed cleaning. For cleaning we use Johnson's Cleaning Safe, and also a product called F10. I'll try and find links for these products in the description at some point. And here we are with a mixture of brand new boxes on the right, then you can see the clean boxes on the left, and some more boxes here, and we did a brilliant job I think today of getting the boxes cleaned out and ready to go for another season. And here we can just see some of the cockatiel boxes, absolutely huge they are. And over the weekend me and the family have been very busy tidying up the garden, and you can see here I managed to get the gravel, the pebbles at the front of the new aviary. It's looking quite smart. It's not finished off yet, still some more painting. You can see I think we're going to have the door there all blue. And also I've got the canary nest pans in with the females. I'm not quite sure if they're building nests just yet. It's still quite early in the season. Yeah, I'm going to pair the red factor female with the male that I got here, Crested. He started singing the other day, so that's good news. They're going to make a nice pair, I think. This one I'm hoping it's a female. I haven't heard it singing yet, so fingers crossed it is. I got the pan in there and see what happens. I'm gonna try and pair her with one of the others that turned out to be a male, which is good news as well. And this is the other one that was singing as well. Been singing quite a lot actually, got a nice little song, almost looks like a robin there. Very nice bird, so hopefully they'll get on well and have some nice babies. Let's go over to the bird room now. Let's have a quick look at the current setup layout in there. And let's take a look at Mango and all the babies we got. We haven't got many at the moment. And here is Mango. He's fine, he's doing well, he's still nice and friendly. I absolutely adore Mango, and so does the wife. I think he's probably our favourite bird that we have by far. Just let me remind you guys that I've got a big tour video coming out this week, as we finish off parts of the new aviary painting and things like that, and we get the nest boxes up for the Budgies and Cockatiels, and everything's in motion. I'm going to be doing a new in-depth tour. You get to see the bird room inside and out, you get to see the new aviary inside and out, and you get to see the Budgie and Cockatiel aviary in-depth and inside and out. Here we've only got 5 babies in total in the bird room. We've had a bit of a change around. I'll explain that a bit later on. So here's 2 babies about 2 weeks old, and there's 3 babies in this one, all doing well. And before we leave the bird room, here is Mango with his best buddy, the bluey green boy that we decided to keep. He's kind of losing a little bit of his blue. He's turning almost like into a normal coloured budgie, but you can see he's still got quite a bit of blue in him. Lovely bird, and Mango enjoys chatting him up and spending time with him. That's the bird room. Mango's fine. We've got 5 lovely babies. Let's move on to the Budgie and Cockatiel aviary now. You can see the nest boxes are all up, and you can see in a little bit some of the cockatiels already exploring the new boxes, but some of the budgies are exploring the cockatiel boxes as well. I'm hoping they'll settle down into their own sized nest boxes, but this is kind of cool. It's really always exciting this time of year, putting the boxes up and seeing the birds explore and interact and finally settle down into their nest box hopefully for the season. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. Thanks a lot for watching. Gonna leave you with some clips now, some video of the birds mucking about, fighting over and exploring the new boxes. It's kind of cool. Cockatiels, this is the first time obviously that they've had boxes in the aviary, so they've been, well, at least one female's been laying eggs already, so I'm pretty sure they're ready to go breeding. So I'll leave you guys with some video footage. Thanks a lot for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next update, and watch for the new tour video.